There's a deadlift mistake that most people are making that they don't even know about. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that problem is and how to fix it. So Trevor's going to go down and grab onto the barbell, and he's going to set up into his deadlift position. So from here, although this may look straight on camera, what's happening is his back is rounded. It's actually rounded this way, concave. And so most people, they think that when they're doing deadlifts, they don't want to round their back this way, like a humpback whale or turtle, but he's actually rounding his back the other way. So what we're going to get Trevor to do here is he's going to tuck his tailbone and also keep his chin tucked as well. And you can see here what ends up happening is his back ends up rounding here. His upper back ends up rounding. And people might think that, oh, this is incorrect, this is wrong because his back is rounding. But what's more important is that his lower back here is straight. So this is more of a neutral spine than where he was before when he was trying to keep his upper back straight. So that's why it's really important to make sure that you're not really focusing on the upper back here, but more on what's happening at the lower back here. So although this might be okay for some people who have a general rounded back, it's still not ideal. You want to make sure that your lower back is neutral, but also your upper back is neutral as well. So it's balancing between making sure that this isn't too rounded, but also this is staying neutral, but also making sure that this isn't in too much extension, and then this is neutral. So what you want to do is make sure that the tailbone stays tucked, but also lift the rib cage up just a little bit so that the spine can be neutral from the top all the way to the bottom. So this is a much better position than both of those positions that we showed you in the video before. So if you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.